hanging out here at the Pattaya, Thailand railroad station. We are waiting for that nice new tourist train to come in at 4:26, and it's probably about 4:18 or 4:19 right now, and the folks are out here waiting for that train. Yep, this is the new train that starts off in Bangkok and comes out to Pattaya and goes down and stops at all those amusement parks down there. The train we're waiting for is the one that starts down at the next few stations, goes to those amusement parks, picks up those folks there, and takes them back into Bangkok. And I think the whole train ride takes about 2.5 hours, if I'm correct. Now, if you look down there, you can see the train coming up. The flag man is out with his flag. And this is a brand spanking new train, only about a month old. Here it comes right now. This train costs about $5 or $6 US, and it'll take you to the Hong Kong station in Bangkok.